Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode. If you're new here, my name is Ronak, a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, and marketer. On this channel, we talk about the books, marketing, freelancing, how to make money online, a little bit of business and productive, how to get your life in a good way. Today, we are going to talk about kind of a rewind video where I'm going to share one of the top 5 to 6 books I read in the 2020. Well, I have already made a video on the non-fiction category, like what are the best non-fiction books I read in 2020. Today's video is specifically focused on the fantasy or the fiction books I read in 2020, which is one of the great topic because I usually enjoy fantasy books a lot. Most of the books I usually listen on the audiobooks because it's easy to understand, it's easy to listen to the narration of the fantasy books. So before we get into the topic, make sure you like this video, comment what is your best fantasy books or the fiction books you read in the 2020, and let's get started with the video. The first book I want to talk about is Roses Are Blood Red by Noeline Chakraborty. Well, this book is kind of average. It's not that very most favorite book, but this is also not the most least favorite book. It's a kind of average, so that's why this is able to make into the top list. This book is quite good. It's not that the reason this book is quite good because it's divided into the part, and the thriller is really amazing. Obviously, some of the few things in this book obviously don't make sense to you at the end of the book, but the way the narration is done, the way the story is connected, the way when you start reading and you immediately get hooked with the story, and that's the good part about this book. That's the good part about this story. That's the reason I enjoyed reading this book. It's story about army officer Vanai, Arisha Struggle, and the story about love of their life. Then Arisha married to some other guy, goes to US, and again the kind of rape wala scene wala happen, and what Vanai, how the one all these things do उसके बारे में ये पूरी story है. If you have not read this, then go read this book. This is a really good thriller. Don't try to make sense that how these things happen. Just enjoy with the flow, because that's what I do. And if you have read this, let me know in the comment. Second, I will not say the book, but I will say the complete series, that is Harry Potter. Obviously Harry Potter series. I read Harry Potter as an adult. Obviously I have read the Harry Potter in the past, like when I was in 10th standard or 11th standard, but at that time I was like, okay, Harry Potter is absolutely gem. There is no doubt, there is no plot holes, there is no any doubt in this book. These books are completely possible, and there is no reason why I hate this book. Well, when I read today, like usually I wanted to read the Harry Potter books in the Christmas, because that's when the most of the people start reading the Harry Potter series. But I wanted to finish by the Christmas, and I did finish all the books in the Christmas except the last wala book, Cursed Child, because I don't wanted to read that. You know that why I don't wanted to read that. So I have read Harry Potter as an adult. I have created a complete playlist. You can check that, or you can check the link in the description. Go watch all the video where I share the actual details between the movie and the book. Why the book is more important. What are the things that movies have not covered in the movies have not covered. So I have covered all these things in the review. I have created individual videos, so you can watch that and you will have the idea that what is the difference between the movies and book, and how it felt reading Harry Potter as an adult. The next book I want to talk about is Ready Player 2 by the Ernest Cline. Well, there is a doubt about this book. Obviously I have not enjoyed that much this book, but this book is quite okay. Actually, Ready Player 1 was absolutely gem. There is no doubt, and I felt that there is no need of sequence about this book. But obviously, most of the sequence are there for the money. They wanted to make money. They wanted to make movies. And if you have read Ready Player 1, then let me know in the comment. But Ready Player 2 is kind of less than average for me, because it's not necessary to have the another Easter egg in that Ready Player 2 to get to that team. They get different. Then there is a lot of topic like humanity and everything. Just because this covers a lot of humanity topic, I really enjoyed reading this book. Other than that, this book is really average. If you have read that Ready Player 1, you can try Ready Player 2, but I will suggest if you have free time, then and only then go and try this book. I made the detailed video on the Ready Player 2. You can go check that. You can find link here or the link in the description. You can watch that video to understand why I hate the Ready Player 2. The next and the best book I want to talk about is Ghachar Ghochar by the Vivek Shanbhag, which is a Kannada author. And this book is absolutely gem. There is no doubt. The ending is open ending. I usually don't like open endings, but this open ending is make you think a lot of things, that what actually happened at the ending, how the story ended, what are the possibilities at the end of this video. And I know a lot of people ask me this question, that what do you think, what is the ending. I would love to know your points. I have made a video, complete video, detailed video on the Ghachar Ghochar, that why you should read this book. Firstly, this book is only 63 pages book. If you are reading on the Kindle, then this is only 63 pages book. There is no doubt in that. First, this is psychological novella, and it's a kind of a drama that talks about a lot of things, spices, family drama, and murder. Around the murder, I won't say murder, but it's a murder. Or let me know what do you think about it at the ending. I know I'm not going to talk a lot about it, rather you can check that video and let me know your thoughts. Next and the most favorite book is The Silent Patient by the Alex. This book is absolutely gem. I have already made detailed video on this book, and most of the books that I read, most of the fiction books or the fantasy books I read, I have made a detailed video on that word, because I really wanted to talk about those books, that why those books are gem. Obviously, the thriller category is always great to read, and if the narration is great, then definitely you should read those books. Silent Patient is one of those, definitely gem. The movie is coming soon on this book, probably in 2021 or 2022. So before that, make sure you read this book. The story about the Alicia Branson, उसके लाइफ और उसके हस्बैंड के बारे में. उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती है और उसे साइकोलॉजिकल, एक्चुअली जेल में भेजा जाता है, देन साइकोलॉजिकल हॉस्पिटल. वहाँ पे डॉक्टर आ जाता है. डॉक्टर उससे बात करने की कोशिश करता है, बट शी don't even speak a single word for that around 6 months, I guess. Actually, I don't remember a lot of things, but the ending is absolutely, I remember what happened at the ending. So if you have, this is definitely a, each and every page feels like you are in the book, you are in with the narrator, you are with the Alicia, you are with the characters, and you are enjoying each and everything. I really felt that when I was reading this book, and this book is definitely a must read kind of book. It's a very short, it's not a very long book, and every chapter, every page gives you literally gives you goosebumps, and at the end of this book you will definitely gets a lot of goosebumps, because the story ends on a really high note. I don't want to talk about a lot in this video, because this video is just a combination of all the favorite books. I will rather suggest you to go check the original video, so you will get a better idea about it. The next and the last book of the 2020 is going to be The One Arranged Murder by the Chetan Bhagat. I know I have made a detailed video why this book is not as usual as a Chetan Bhagat books. Usually Chetan Bhagat की books कैसे होती है हम सबको पता है, with lot of drama and twist. But this book is stand out. This book is completely different. It's obviously kind of a part 2 of the Girl in the Room 105, but not exactly connected. It's a story about the Keshav and Saurabh. Saurabh की शादी हो जाती है. शादी एक्चुअली होनी होती है प्रेरणा से, और करवा चौथ के टाइम पे प्रेरणा का मर्डर हो जाता है. प्रेरणा का मर्डर किसने किया? सौरभ ने किया, उसके फैमिली ने किया. सो केशव और सौरभ की खुद की एजेंसी होती है, आई गेस जेड एजेंसी, जिसका नाम ज़ारा से शुरू होता था, यानी कि द गर्ल इन द रूम 105 वाला. सो उसके बारे में एक्चुअली अराउंड स्टोरी है. तो वो जेड डिटेक्टिव एजेंसी वो कैसे सॉल्व कर देती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें उसमें होती है, फैमिली ड्रामा, लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन थिंग्स, एंड फाइनली केशव ये मिस्ट्री कैसे सॉल्व कर देता है. तो उसके बारे में ये सारी स्टोरी है, और किसने मर्डर किया है उसके बारे में तो ऑब्वियसली है. So this book is quite good. It's not that really bad. It's kind of get you hooked up with the story, and you can definitely enjoy this book. I even have made a detailed video on The One Arranged Murder. You can check that video, the link in the description, or you can find it here. So these are the few books that I read in the 2020 under the fiction, or you can say the fantasy thriller category. Well, those are not non-fiction books, those but are my favorite. Then those are all books are here, and I really enjoyed reading each and every one. I'm looking forward to 2021 with great hopes that I will read a lot of books, and I will give you a lot of recommendation around the fiction, non-fiction category. So if you are not checked the a non-fiction video, then you can check here. I have shared all the non-fiction videos, that what are the best non-fiction books I have read in the 2020. You can check that here. And if you want to make money online, if you want to start your freelancing journey, then there is a playlist here. You can check that how you can make money online, or how you can start making money online. You can find it here. You can check all this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down what is your favorite book in the 2020, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, tata, take care.